Welcome to Oxford International Lawyers Secondary Student Book for Grade 6, Unit 1, Cultural Heritage, page 9, Pakistan Silent Prestige. Let's study vocabulary words of page 9. Page 9, vocabulary words. First word, foreign invaders. Army enters other country by force. Beruni Hamlavar. Second, imprints. Its verb. To fix an event, experience, memory that it cannot be forgotten. जहन में नक्श हो जाना, imprints. Endowed. Provide, supply. Fourth word, evidence, its noun, meaning proof, confirmation या shahadat. 5. Herding, the practice of caring of livestock. Farming, the activity of raising animals, growing crops. Seventh word, glorious, adjective, meaning worthy, bringing fame, admiration. Eighth word, forts, noun, fortified building. Ninth word, assumed, verb, meaning presume, suppose, ख्याल करना, जहन में सोचना. Tenth word, advent, noun, meaning arrival, आमद. 11th word, fortification, meaning noun, defensive wall. 12th word, abode, meaning home, house. 13th word, it's a verb span and spanning is gerund. A period of time, किसी भी ख़ास वक्त का दौरानिया. 14 word, lane, it's noun, path or track. 15 word, circumference, noun, border यानी सरहद. 16 reserved, adjective, mean booked or taken. 17 word, marvel, it's a verb, also work as noun as well, meaning be amazed, बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान हो जाना किसी चीज़ को देख के. 18 word, scorching, it's adjective, meaning extremely hot, like scorching heat. 9th word, tentative, adjective, not certain, fixed. 20th word, utilize, its meaning is make use of. 21st word, renovation, noun, restoring to a good state. 22nd, citadel, meaning fortress. पाकिस्तान साइलेंट प्रेस्टीज. साइलेंट प्रेस्टीज मीन्स कि ऐसी चीज़ें जिनको कभी पहले जाना नहीं गया. Our country has a rich and continuous history that saw some of our oldest civilizations, many foreign invaders and rulers who came to the region and all left their imprints in the form of ancient sites and historic structures. कि जो हमारी कंट्री है इसमें ओल्डेस्ट सिविलाइजेशन आई, जिसमें फॉरेन इन्वेडर्स आए, वो अपना कल्चर और सिविलाइजेशन लेकर आए, अपना आर्ट और आर्किटेक्चर लेकर आए. तो वो जो बिल्डिंग्स यहाँ पर बनी या जो एंशियंट साइट्स हैं वो उनके आने का पता देती हैं. Pakistan is endowed with the assets which are overlinked. Link mean connection, endowed, blessed, asset something very precious. Pakistan is endowed with the assets which are overlinked with the past. Mohenjo-daro was built in 26th century BCE. It was one of the largest sites of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization is actually located in Sindh, and Mohenjo-daro was built in 26th century BCE before Christ, also known as Harappan civilization. The name of civilization was Harappan and the fort was built in 26th century BCE. Its name was Mohenjo-daro, which developed around 3000 BCE from the prehistoric Indus culture. Mehergarh is one of the earliest known sites that shows evidence of farming and herding in South Asia. मेहरगढ़ फोर्ट एक और निशान है जो शो करता है साउथ एशिया में हर्डिंग और फार्मिंग पहले की जाती थी. The earliest settlement at Mehergarh, located in the northeast corner of 49.5-acre site, was a small farming village dated between 7000 BCE and 500 BC. इसका मतलब ये है कि फार्मिंग जो मेहरगढ़ साइड पे थी उसका एक निशान या उसका एक प्रूफ या एविडेंस है दैट वाज अ स्मॉल फार्मिंग विलेज. एक छोटा सा गांव है जो कि कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया था बिटवीन 7000 BCE और 5500 BC के दरमियान. Glorious forts of Pakistan. Glorious is adjective meaning splendid. Historically, forts are assumed to have been militarily positions put up to guard against attacks. क्वेश्चन है कि फोर्ट्स क्यों तामीर किए जाते थे, कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते थे टू गार्ड अगेंस्ट अटैक दैट आर मिलिट्री पोजीशंस. Before the advent of modern weapons, almost all important cities were defended by permanent fortifications कि किलाबंदी की जाती थी जब तक कि जदीद weapons नहीं आए थे. Either by a high wall encircling the city and sometimes a wall and a citadel within or outside the city, or a combination of both. On the other hand, some forts were the abode of rulers and noblemen कि कुछ forts इसलिए भी कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते थे कि वो जनरली रूलर्स के रहने की जगह होते थे और कुछ forts अपने आबादी के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए बनाए जाते थे. Pakistan is a treasure house of ancient heritage spanning over the scores of centuries के सदियों scores mean सदियों कबल spanning its a duration. Let us take a walk down history's lane means track the history lanes track the history and discover some of these forts that still echo with the magic and mystery of their glorious days. Derawa Fort. Derawa Fort is located in the Khalistan Desert 48 km from Dera Nawab Sahib near Bahawalpur. The 40 circular bastions of the fort are visible from many miles across the Khalistan. The walls have a circumference of 1500 meters and stand up to the meters high. The front has a vast mean very spread ground with two ancient tanks which were used for defense. On the west side of this ground were underground rooms of Amir of Bahawalpur. A separate portion inside was reserved for the royal ladies. The doors, floors, and roof of this royal section were made of wood with exquisite artwork. Exquisite means very, very splendid and unique. The 9th century historic marvel was built by a Rajput ruler by Bhatti clan by the name of Rai Jaja Bhatti. The fort's red brick wall glowed during the scorching heat, making it visible for miles. It is inscribed on World Heritage Tentative List UNESCO 2016. Around 40 million was utilized for the renovation project.